officer, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It wasn't me.
Clark, got your badge?
Didn't even do nothing.
No, I don't.
You got the wrong guy. No, sir. You got me. No, sir. You got the wrong guy, sir. On body cam.
You good to book, crap?
Yeah, we good.
Huh, sir?
I'm gonna run him in because when you got out, when you left, it had releasing, but I had to put the cuffs back on and stuff.
Oh, I can get out. I'm getting released. What you mean? What you mean, sir? I can talk to my lawyer.
Crab, you must still have him on handcuffs. Check to see if you got him. All right. You want me to run him in, or you gonna run him in?
Don't run me in nowhere, sir. Don't run me in nowhere, sir. Just let me free. Ooh, I'm free.
Eugene was hanging with it. Everything good, everything good.
Where you go, sir? Where do I go, sir?
I'll be back out. I'll be back out, crap.
Bruh, I didn't even do nothing. What? No. I can't be on game. Come on, bro.